What's up again? It's Miss Herbold, Technology Integrations for St. Cloud Area Schools. This is video number 2 about making a Google site, and we're going to talk about adding collaborators, adding pages, and adding materials. So this is the adding video. We're going to add them all together. And I'm not a math teacher, if you can believe that. Okay, so we're here on our Google site that we made from video 1. Up here in the corner, here is where you can add collaborators. So if you have other people that you're working on, like this is a group project, you can add other students or even your teacher as a collaborator on this site. So all you have to do is start typing in their name. So I'm going to add another teacher named Miss Sebastian as a collaborator on this site. And you can go ahead and give them rights to edit this page. If you want, you can make them a owner, or you can only view it when it's published. Or if you don't want them on anymore, you can just delete them off like that. All right, so that's adding collaborators. Next up, adding pages. Most websites aren't just one single page. They have pages that go across to cover other topics. So here, we're going to add pages. If you click on pages, right now we have a home page, so that's our opening site, or our title page. We're going to add a new page. We're going to call this page adding collaborators, pages, and materials. Okay, so it automatically makes the page, it keeps the theme, and it adds it, the title to the top of the page. Now here, you might want to change your header type to title only. Up to you. You can decide how you want to do that. You can add all the pages for your website at once, or you can add them as you go. So we're going to do another one. Okay, so now technically this website has 3 pages: home, adding collaborators, pages and materials, and publishing and sharing. Now, it automatically adds them across the top to the website. So it's kind of added in a menu, which is really nice. Next up, let's talk about adding materials. I'm going to go back to the home page. So whatever materials you add, you want to make sure you are on the page that you want to add. Now here, you're going to go to Insert. And Insert, it has lots of different things you can do. So you can set up a different layout. So if you want to have a layout that looks in a certain way or manner, you can set it up there. So if I want to have a video or an image with some text, I can click that layout and it will automatically add it here. Here I can go ahead and upload an image, or I can find a YouTube video if I want that to be there. Now I just made a video, a screencast actually, about how to start your website. So we're going to go and add that video in. So I put it in my Google Drive. So now I'm going to search for it. Okay, I've searched and I found my create a site and select a theme. So I click on it and then I go to insert, and then it's going to put that video right in here. And I can put a little information about it. Ooh. All right, now there's some things you can do with the text. You can change the size of the text, you can add bullet points, numbered lists, color. So there's a lot of different things that you can make on there. You can also change the size of your video, and it tries to kind of be smart and change it for you so that everything fits in the way that it thinks it should. Other things that you can add a divider. So if you want to put something between, it's going to add a little line there to divide. You can add a button, you can add a YouTube video right from here, you can add a calendar, you can add maps, a Google Docs. So let's say you did an assignment and you want to put that on your web page so people can see your work. You could add a Google Doc, slides, sheets, forms, charts, anything that you make in your Google Drive can be added from there. Also, if you want to use embed code, so if you have HTML from a website that you've made, you could embed it into here as well. That might be more of an advanced feature. You can also add images if you would like. So again, if you want to add images, just like we did for your title page on your cover, you can search or you can upload from your Google Drive. So find an image that you like, select it, and it'll get added to your web page. All right, so that's a quick tutorial about adding collaborators, adding pages, and adding materials to your Google site. In the next video that we're going to do, we are going to go through how to publish your site, how to preview it, and how to share it with the people who need to see it. Make it a great one.